Amazon Web Service or AWS is undoubtedly the most widely used cloud computing platform among other visual servers, artificial intelligence service, and other type of databases. They offer a simple email service which is known as Amazon SES, or you can call it simple email service. Hi, my name is Emeka Lumen, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can set up your email marketing journey using Amazon SES. There's a lot of reasons why you should use Amazon SES for your email marketing, and some of these reasons is that Amazon Web Service is very cheaper, if not the cheapest, compared to other email marketing service provider companies in the market. Another good reason is that Amazon SES has a security standard which is designed to make sure your messages does not hang in between you and the receiver. You know, there are some email platforms you would use, and some of your messages will hang on the air and won't deliver to the recipient. But if you're using Amazon SES, if you're using Amazon SES, there's something that we call public key cryptography. They use it to sign in emails to make sure your emails does not hang, and you can also track your sending activities and manage your reputation. Another good reason to use Amazon SES is that you can personalize your emails with the user details and even show different information to different users. One of the interesting things about Amazon SES is that you do not just only send emails, but you can also retrieve emails. If your app is hosted on Amazon EC, there's what we call Amazon EC. A lot of it, we'll get into that as we proceed. If your app is hosted on Amazon EC, you can send emails. The first 62,000 emails you send monthly are for free. But one of the disadvantages of Amazon SES is that it does not provide you with email list storage. But some other email server provider platforms, unlike MailChimp, where are they? A lot of them are like MailChimp, they provide you with email list storage. And another disadvantage about Amazon Web Service is that Amazon SES is that it does not give additional options like drag and drop template, A/B testing, or detailed analytics. Just like the name sounds, Amazon Simple Email Service, the solution they provide is also simple email services. So now let me show you how you can set up these two for your email marketing. So what you need to do is, first of all, you open your Chrome browser and you type in Amazon Web Service. So you type in Amazon Web Service. It is actually going to open. Alright, so when you click on it and it's going to appear like this. So the next thing to do is you click on create AWS account. If you don't have an account, if you already have an account with AWS, Amazon Web Service, you click on sign in. But if you don't have an account, you click on create an AWS account. So have in mind that when you are registering your account, it's going to ask you for your credit card. But don't worry, they're not going to charge you unless you start using the service. So when you are signing in, you are going to see different types of user. I'm already logged in, so it's not going to appear on mine. Different types you're going to see. Number one is, I think, I am user, and again you're going to see root user. So I would suggest you go for I am user. So when you sign in, it's going to appear like this. So you click on sign in to the console. So when you sign into the console, it's going to appear like this. So when you sign into your account, you come here and search for SES, and you're going to see Amazon Simple Email Service. So click on it. So you see Amazon Simple Email Service. So click on it and it's going to load. Okay, so you're going to choose prices. It says you start using Amazon Simple Email Service, blah blah blah. So click on get started. So here we are going to verify our email. It says a verification email will be sent to you at this address. So for this tutorial, I'm going to just be using my Gmail account, my simple Gmail account, which is Emeka Lumen 2. So I'm going to be using my normal Gmail account. So enter a domain or a subdomain. So I'm going to be using ltech.ng. So this is my domain. So I'm going to be clicking on next. Mail from domain, optional, use default mail. So let me just click on next, and let me just fast forward this until we get to the main part. So click on next again, and you're going to see add your email address added, sending domain ltech.ng, mail from, I didn't put this one, I said I need to got it there. I said I need to fast forward it, so let me just use the default mail from domain. So click on next and click on get started. So this is gonna load and appear like this. So once you come to this place, what you're gonna be doing is look for where it says SMTP settings. So click on this SMTP settings. It's gonna appear like this. So what you're gonna be clicking is on create SMTP credentials. So let me click on it. Okay, so you have to copy this because you're not gonna get this thing again. So just copy it and save one place. Let me just open my notepad. Let me paste in and close my notepad. Then you click on create user. All right, so this is your SMTP credentials. So you need to actually save this. You can download or you can save as you can save to your notepad. So let me copy this. This is I am username, so copy it and let me save to my I'm pasting this, and I copy this one too, and SMTP username, SMTP username, SMTP username. So I'm gonna paste in that one too, and my password, I'm gonna copy my password, and I'm actually going to save it to password. So I will save my password too. Then I can quickly download it to my computer. So once you are done, you go back to return to SES console. That's return to simple email service control. So once you are done, it's going to actually appear like this. So here in your dashboard, you're going to verify if your email has been verified, because by now they would have already sent you an email. So you go to this get setup, and you see is your email verification is pending. So go and check your email that you used to sign into the AWS account. So let's open our email. You see they've already sent us a mail, Amazon Web Service email verification request, in region you stop blah blah blah. So click on it, and here you need to verify your email. So click on this link, and it's going to load, and it says congratulations, you have successfully verified an email address. You can now start sending email from this email. So let's go back to our Amazon dashboard, and let's refresh Amazon Web Service dashboard, and let's refresh. So it's loading, and it says our email has been verified. So the next thing to do is you go to identities. So let's actually verify our domain. As you can see, our email is verified. You can easily send a test email here if you tick mark the email, you click on send test email, you send the test email. But that's not what we're going to be doing here. I just want to show you how you can verify your domain, because if you verify your domain, you can easily send an email easily without actually verifying emails separately. So you can be sending mails like your domain at maybe name at yourdomain.com, and you don't have to be manually verifying each emails. So let's quickly verify our domain. Let me show you how you can verify it. So what you're going to be doing is you click on that your domain, then you will see something like this. As you can see, it's saying pending verification. So when you scroll down, you're going to see details that you are going to be using to verify your domain. So if you click on this easy, just leave it as this easy DKIM. Then when you scroll down, you see public DNS record. So what you will have to be doing here is you go to your cPanel, whichever platform you are using. You can be, I'm using Namecheap, you can be using Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, HostGator, anyone you are using. There are different ways they provide DNS. You can manage your DNS record. So I'm using cPanel, so I'm going to be doing this from, I'm using Namecheap, so I'm going to be doing this from cPanel. So I will come to the search bar and type I'll type zone editor. So when I click on this zone editor on cPanel, it's gonna open like this. So the domain I'm using here is ltech.ng. So I will go back to cPanel and I'm gonna be seeing ltech.ng, my domain. So I'll click on this CNAME record. So click on this and go back to your Amazon AWS CSS account. You're going to see CNAME and value. So let me copy this CNAME. So when you're copying this, just copy from here. Don't copy from here and stop from this .ltech.ng, because your hosting provider is going to add this your domain whatever. So I'll go back to my cPanel and I'm going to paste in the CNAME here. Okay, I think they didn't put it, so let me just copy everything at once. So I'm going to be copying this .ltech.ng and I'll paste it here, and I'm going to be copying the value, the CNAME value, and I'm going to be pasting it here, paste it here. Then I'll click add a CNAME record. Alright, so I'm going to be clicking it again. I'm going to add all the 3 CNAME records. So this is the second one. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'll come over and copy this value and I'll paste it here just like I did the other ones. Add a CNAME record. Then I will copy the last one, copy, then CNAME record. I'm going to be pasting it here. Then I will copy, then I will copy the value and I will paste it here, then I'll click on add a CNAME record. Alright, so when you are done adding your CNAME, you can also do the same thing for your MS. This is MS. You can also do the same thing for MS. So when you are done, you come to this place. This is going to take around 24 hours to verify. So if I actually go back to my identities, it's going to still be showing pending. So it's going to take around 24 hours before this thing will show verified. Okay, but let's just go to our email to see if they have actually sent us a mail showing that we have submitted our DKIM. So let me quickly log into my email. Wow, as you can see, it says DKIM setup sources for LTech in Europe. So as you can see, they have my setup is already complete. So let me quickly check if this has been verified, but in most cases it takes around 24 hours to get verified. So let me refresh and see if it has been verified. As you can see, this didn't even take up to 2 minutes. It just got verified almost immediately. I was thinking in some cases it takes up to 24 hours. So this is how you verify your email. So in our next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be sending thousands of emails using Amazon SES. So guys, thank you and see you in the next module.